January. Example, my birthday is in January. February. Example, February is the shortest month of the year. March. Example, we're planning a vacation in March. April. Example, Easter falls in April this year. May. Example, May is a beautiful month with blossoming flowers. June. June is a popular month for weddings and outdoor celebrations. July. My birthday is in July, and I always have a fun celebration. August. August is a popular time for outdoor concerts and festivals. September. Many people celebrate their birthdays in September. October. October is filled with Halloween festivities and costume parties. November. November is a time for gratitude and Thanksgiving celebrations. December. Example, December is filled with joy and excitement during the holiday season. Did you find this helpful? Please share in the comments below.